Todd. Todd is a rock star. Except lately, he hasn't been feeling 100%. Now meet Todd's wife. Todd's wife loves him dearly, but she's been complaining of his late-night snoring that has made it impossible for her to sleep. It's gotten so bad lately that they now sleep in separate rooms. But then one day, at a regular checkup with his dentist, he was asked if he snored. His dentist immediately recognized his symptoms and was able to help him get diagnosed. You see, like many others, Todd suffers from obstructive sleep apnea. At first, Todd was scared that he'd end up looking like Bane from Batman while trying to sleep with a sleep apnea machine. But then his dentist informed him of a new oral appliance that is much less invasive. It goes into his mouth like a mouth guard and pulls the jaw forward, which stops the collapsing of the tongue, which results in increased airflow and sound, uninterrupted sleep. So now Todd can get back to what he loves doing most. Playing music, that is. If you or a loved one suffers from sleep problems or aren't happy with your current treatment, set up an appointment with your dentist and ask about their treatment options. You'll be happy you did.